Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 7th, 2022. We're going to talk about Loopring today. And take a look. Just take a look. I'm going to keep it real. I did a price prediction in Loopring on November the 2nd. 2 days after I did the video, take a look at what happened into the market. Loopring broke out. Look at that. Went massively high up here and hit the high on November the 4th of 42, almost 43 cents. This went completely against what I was talking about in the market for Loopring on November the 2nd. 2 days later, the market broke out. Hey, it happens. I keep it real. This didn't go in my favor. I get it. And it will happen. Now, I want to show you what happened, though. That we already knew that Loopring was in a downturn. It was already in a downtrend, right? So, right here on November the 3rd, this is where the market tested this downtrend line, right? And it caused the market to close off of the highs on November the 3rd. But then it took this much volume in order for the market to break this downtrend. Look at all this volume that came through in one day. The market was real active on November the 4th, and it required this much volume to actually break the downtrend. So at least I can say that that's a good thing, that Loopring is no longer trending below this downtrend line. We could at least see that and say that's great. But I can't say that my price prediction wasn't great, because it wasn't. So if we were to get out the market right now, Loopring, we would be down around 26.25%. It happens. You're not going to get every price prediction, every forecast, correct. So let's go ahead and cut that out the way and get right back in position, because you guys can see that even though we saw the market in Loopring breakout on November the 4th, even though we saw that, the price is still weak. It's still coming down from the high that occurred on November the 4th. This market is already down. Take a look at this. 24%. 24%. We have almost literally cut in half the whole width of November the 4th price bar. Almost gone already. Where's the buyers? Was this a fake move? Because we should not be seeing this type of price action in Loopring if the market if it was truly bullish. We're not seeing that, though. The market is weak. The basis of support in Loopring needs to be established right now. So let's try to figure this out then. Because is this the market support in Loopring? Right here. So let me go ahead and cut this downtrend line. And our focus needs to be where the market previously held support already. This is where we need to see the buyers come in the market. Okay. Currently, they're not here. Let me show you all. Let me go ahead and show you all the 3-day chart into the market in Loopring. Okay. Now, again, some people may say this is a great thing and that the market in Loopring is going to continue to go higher. I want to keep it real. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Okay. There's still some massive sellers in this space for Loopring. Even though we did see a fantastic move on one day, people are still here selling the currency. This is the weekly chart, and I want you all to take a look at what happened last week. High volume, market closed well off the highs, which is indicative of people selling in the market in Loopring. So let's go ahead and see what can we expect, okay? Because I really want us to focus on Loopring coming through and holding support, because we could still see the market run down to 20 cents. That was my price prediction previously. Because the one thing that we don't want to see into the market in Loopring is the market not able to crack and trade above 40 cents. I want to see the market in Loopring keep itself above 40 cents before I really become more bullish into the market. Okay. So look at this. This is the 3-hour chart. Okay. And let's keep it real. We are going to create the market break to when the trend line was created to where the market in Loopring broke out. Okay. And this is it. This is where the market in Loopring began to trend higher and went massively higher, and now we're coming right back down. But hold on, we need the market to hold the trend, though, in order for us to maintain some strength in the market. Well, we are breaking the trend right there. That is where the market currently is breaking trend in Loopring. That's not a good sign. Take a look at this on a 1 hour chart. You guys can see it even better where the market broke trend in Loopring. Massively broke. So yeah, this currency is weak. The currency currently is giving us some massive weakness, and we need to identify it as such. It's not strong. And given that we're still seeing weakness right here around this 32-cent area that we needed to see price hold support, it may not continue to go up. I know that's not good for those who are looking for price and Loopring to continue to ride higher. We're not seeing that though. That's the 3 hour chart. Take a look at this on the 5 hour. Look at this on the 7 hour. Okay. Maybe the market might run down to 31 cents before we continue to see some support. What do you think? So the market does trend down to 31 cents. Let's say if it does. That's around 4% market move to the downside there. I'm trying to give y'all certain time frames to distinguish between whether or not the market is strong or whether or not it's weak. And right now it's weak. The market here in Loopring is weak. So what I'm going to do, okay, just like I did in my last video, playing the weakness, I'm going to play weakness again. Yes, again. Now, it may not be as wide as my previous one, but still, that price target that I'm looking at first is going to be around 31 cents. 31 cents. I don't like the fact that price broke the trend. That's one of the reasons why I'm playing some weakness in the market in Loopring. Okay, so we got 31 cents as the first price target. And then we're going to do like 29.5 cents for the second. I'm just going to do 2 price targets as well. I'm not going to be massively bearish because, like I said, I still want to consider the move that occurred on the 4th in Loopring. So as of right now, just 2 price targets, 32 cents, or was it 31? Let me see. Yes, 31 cents and then 29.5 cents second. That's it. Give me your thoughts. And I think that's going to happen relatively quick. I don't think it's going to be a long duration for us to see the market in Loopring run down to those price targets. And then from there, if we do find buyers, I'll come back in and play the other side. This is how this game is meant to be played. It's not hard nor complicated. So give me your thoughts. Hit the like button. Share the video and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want to make sure you stay ahead of the competition, because this is what we do here on this channel. We maintain that we are ahead of everyone else. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.